In this video series, I'm showing you how I did this concrete hot tub pad. Beginning with where you want to put the pad, make sure that the finished pad is higher than the grass. You don't want water coming into the pad area. You want the finished pad higher so that the water falls off of the pad. You also want to check with your local building code to make sure that where you're going to put the pad is legal. Also, before you put the shovel in the ground, call before you dig to make sure you don't break a gas line or hydro lines. Dig deep enough so that your pad is 5 to 6 inches thick with a 5 to 6 inch granular A base, or you can also use sand. When forming or framing the pad's mold, I like to dig out enough depth so that the wood form has play up and down. That way when you're framing this board in, you have enough play up and down just in case you need to level the board. That way you don't have to dig out underneath the board while you have one end screwed in. On this project there was an old clothesline that the customer had pulled out and asked for me to demo it. So what I used was a Bosch jackhammer, the 60-volt DeWalt quick cut, a Makita quick cut, and I also had a hard time breaking this part. So I started drilling holes into the slab to help weaken the concrete and hopefully break it up, and it seemed to work. I also check the level every couple of feet to make sure that the slab is going to be flat. Securing the steel stakes along the outside of the mold. I like to put the stakes below the forms. There are many benefits to having the stakes below the forms. I prefer to connect each board with a small 2x4 2x6 piece. I'm now connecting the corner and checking to make sure that the top of the boards are flat and everything is level. Then I screw in the ends and continue around the pad. To make sure my boards are straight, I put a screw on both ends of the frame. Then I tighten a screw from one end to the other. This will show if the boards have any bows or bends in it, and you can adjust the area with a steel stake so that you can straighten out the boards. Stay tuned for the next part of this video series. Don't forget to hit the notifications button. And also guys, if you're in the Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge, Guelph area and need concrete work done, visit my website, theartofconcrete.ca. Thanks for watching, and also please subscribe, comment, and share. I want to hear your feedback, guys. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.